Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. So first we should open the app gallery to get the Ampere application. So in the search we'll enter the Ampere and tap to install button. Tap to continue. Wait a couple of seconds now. Allow. Tap to install. Ampere successfully installed, so let's tap to open the app, tap to yes I agree, be close, tap to OK, and you'll see here information about our battery temperature, and now it's this 37 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.